Hi kids, welcome to JashwinTV Alphabets. A for apple, apple, apple. B for ball, ball, ball. C for cat, cat, cat. D for dog, dog, dog. E for egg, egg, egg. F for frog, frog, frog. G for goat, goat, goat. H for house, house, house. I for igloo, igloo, igloo. J for jeep, jeep, jeep. K for kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. L for lion, lion, lion. M for mango, mango, mango. N for nest, nest, nest. O for owl, owl, owl. P for pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Q for quail, quail, quail. R for rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. S for star, star, star. T for tiger, tiger, tiger. U for umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. V for van, van, van. W for watch, watch, watch. X for X-ray. 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 Y for yacht. 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 Z for zebra. 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 Thanks for watching. Please subscribe JashwinTV.